Here is a video on how to get from Incheon International Airport Terminal 1 to downtown Seoul. When you arrive at the airport, you will see this view. We are currently in front of Gate D at Incheon International Airport Terminal 1. Exit through Gate D and move to the left toward the center of the airport. Incheon International Airport Terminal 1 has immigration gates from A to F, and it is quite large in size. If you look around Gate D, you will see escalators. We will take the escalator to the second floor to ride the airport railroad. Once you arrive on the second floor, look to your right. You can find a sign for the airport railroad. Follow the sign to continue. As Incheon International Airport Terminal 1 is quite large, we strongly recommend using the moving walkways. There are two ways to get from Incheon International Airport to downtown Seoul: express trains and regular trains. The express train goes directly to Seoul Station without stopping at other stations. The regular train can take you to various major destinations in Seoul through a transfer at Hanjik University Station on Line 2. If you have arrived at the spacious area, use the escalator to go down to the lower level. You can see a sign that says Airport Railroad there. On the right side of the escalator, you will see a KFC. You will see an orange sign in front of the escalator. This is where you can purchase tickets for the direct train to Seoul Station. Please use the machine to purchase your ticket. Language options are available in English, Chinese, and Japanese. After selecting your language, choose your train boarding time. After determining the number of tickets, please pay with cash, credit card, or voucher. There are orange gates nearby where you can board the direct train. However, we recommend taking the regular train, which is more convenient for traveling to major destinations in Seoul and is also cheaper. If you take the regular train, you can transfer directly to Line 2, the Green Line, and Line 5, the Purple Line. Line 2 has major tourist attractions such as Hanjik University, Sincheon, and Gangnam Station. And Line 5 is convenient for traveling to places like Gwanghwamun, Jeonro, and Hanok Village. If you enter through the blue gate for the regular train, you can take the regular train. We will be taking this train to Hanjik University, which is connected to Line 2, the Green Line. The Hanjik University station is conveniently located for traveling to tourist attractions, so we also recommend it as a travel hub. Once you pass through the gate, look for the place that says Seoul Station and take the escalator down. Find the gate labeled Seoul Station Bound Normal Train on the platform and board the train. That was how to take a regular train from Incheon International Airport Terminal 1 to downtown Seoul. Next, let's find out how to take a regular train from Terminal 2 and some small tips.